Hey everyone, it's Rita. I'm so happy to be back and bringing you 2 DIYs today. I hope you enjoy them. The first one I wasn't crazy about, but maybe with a little tweaking I can make it look a little better. The second one I'm in love with. So I hope you guys enjoy them. I appreciate you sticking around with me. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Let's get right into the DIYs. Okay guys, so today I'm doing a very simple DIY. I'll be using these 4 towels, some stickers from Dollar Tree, some super glue, fix all adhesive. We're gonna glue these together and form a cube. Actually, I should have put the stickers on first, but I didn't. I may go ahead and do that at least on the others. Let's get these stickers on here first, guys. Okay, now that I've got the stickers in place, I'm going to use the Fix-All and attach these together to form a cube. I'll probably end up using some of my hot glue as well for a temporary hold. And then we're going to make a base for this. Okay, we'll let that dry and we'll start making the base. Okay, as you can see here, I'm using the Waverly Antique Wax, and I'm just going to use it as a stain and stain all the Jenga blocks, and then we'll attach them together. Okay, so here they are. They're all stained. I am going to use a popsicle stick to apply the wood glue, and then I'm also going to use a little hot glue, so we'll get the base made and then we'll attach it. And here you can see I did have to go in with the hot glue to give it a more secure hold. So while the wood blocks are drying, I'm going to use some of this jute twine and just cover up a couple of the sides to give it a more finished look. This is the part I was not crazy about. Maybe later on I can figure out something else, but this is what we're doing for now. Okay, and here's what we have so far. Now I'm just going to use some hot glue and attach it to the wood base. And you can use this little box for anything. Can organize your scissors in it, your paint brushes. You could actually use it as a planter, just anything you want. Okay guys, here it is. I've got some scissors laying here, so I'm just going to place those in and show you how it looks with them. But just remember, you can put anything you want at all in here. And here's another picture of it with some florals in it from Dollar Tree, of course. So that gives you another idea. Stay tuned for DIY number 2. Okay, for this project, I'm going to use these signs that I picked up at Valentine's Day from Dollar Tree. Any type of signs like this will do, or actually you could use anything. And I'm going to use these stickers. First, I'm going to remove the hearts. I'm going to sand this down, try to get a lot of that glitter off, and then I will paint them. So hang tight. Okay, so I'm using a butter knife to pry the hearts off. I've moved my craft room, so I don't know where half of my supplies are. I've got to get that organized. But just pop these hearts off. Some of the paper did come up with it, but that's okay. And then when I finish this, I'll be doing the sanding, and then I'm going to give these 2 coats of white chalk paint, and I did end up having to put a 3rd coat on the ones that have the lettering. So here I'm using my sanding block, but I do end up going out to the garage and using my electric sander. It just made it a whole lot faster and easier. And now I'll be using the Rust-Oleum chalk paint in white. And like I said, I'm giving them 2 coats, and then the ones with the words on them, I had to do 3 coats on that. Once that's completely dry, I will go in with the antique wax stain. Well, it's actually antique wax. I'm using it as a stain just to distress the signs. Okay, so our signs are dry, and I'm going to take a little bit of this Waverly Antique Stain again, or antique wax, but I'm going to use it like a stain and distress these a little bit. All right, those look pretty good now. Okay, so I have my stapler and need to attach this to these. So I'm going to try to just cut that in the middle. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to place the stickers on the signs, and I'm going to use one of the hearts. So we'll do that and the sign will be complete. Okay, now we'll put this heart on. And it is complete. So I'll take it and display it for you guys. Hold on just a moment. Okay, everyone, here it is. I think this turned out really cute, and say $3 is what it costs to do. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry I couldn't hang it in my laundry room, but just blew the light in there, and yeah, so it's on my front door right now, just to show you guys. It looks like my word dry is a little crooked, so I probably need to take that off and reposition. But other than that, I think it looks great. I hope you enjoyed these 2 DIYs today. Thank you so, so much for watching, and I will be back. I know I've been slacking on my videos, trying to get back into the game, but I appreciate you guys sticking around and hanging in there with me. So have a great day, and I will see you in my next video.